Day 29. All right, we're going to start right here. I know it says number 4. You're going to round the following number, 277,368, to the nearest 10, to the nearest 10,000, and to the nearest 100. Okay, over here where it says number 1, and remember to pause as you need. Number 1, Creed wrote the following number, 3 times 10,000 plus 6 times 100th plus 5 times 1 plus 2 times 100. How is this number represented in standard notation? Okay, let's go down here to number 3. Write a number that is greater than 15,000 but less than 22,000. And you can use your number line. And then number 2 over here. At what point on the ruler is the dashed line?